Have you ever wondered how small phone repair shops turn cracked screens and dead phones into steady daily income? One minute, a phone won't turn on. The next, it's working perfectly, and money has changed hands. But here's the secret most people never talk about. It's not magic, and it's not talent alone. It's the tools. In today's video, we're breaking down the exact repair tools you need to start and successfully run a small phone repair shop. From the basics every beginner must have to advanced equipment that can turn you into the go-to technician in your area. Whether you're planning to open a shop, repair phones from home, or simply want to understand what goes on behind the repair counter, this video will give you a clear, practical roadmap. Stick around, because the right tools could be the difference between a struggling side hustle and a profitable repair business. Starting and running a small phone repair shop requires much more than basic technical knowledge. It depends heavily on having the right repair tools and knowing how to use them effectively. Mobile phones today are compact, delicate, and tightly assembled with adhesives, microscrews, and sensitive electronic components. Because of this, a phone repair technician must invest in proper tools that allow repairs to be carried out safely, efficiently, and professionally. The right tools not only improve the quality of work, but also reduce the risk of damaging customers' devices, which is critical for building trust and maintaining a good reputation. The foundation of any phone repair shop begins with basic hand tools. These are the tools used in almost every repair, from screen replacement to battery changes. Screwdriver sets are especially important because smartphones use very small and specialized screws. A good repair kit should include Phillips, flathead, Torx, Pentalobe, and tri-wing screwdrivers to cover both Android and iPhone models. Magnetic screwdrivers are highly recommended because they prevent screws from getting lost and make reassembly easier and faster. Alongside screwdrivers, precision tweezers are essential for handling tiny components such as connectors, screws, and flex cables. ESD-safe tweezers are particularly important because they protect phone circuits from static electricity, which can silently damage components without immediate signs. Another critical group of tools includes spudgers, pry tools, and opening picks. These tools help technicians open phone frames and disconnect internal components without scratching or breaking them. Plastic spudgers and nylon pry tools are preferred for most repairs because they reduce the risk of short circuits and cosmetic damage. Metal pry tools can be used for tougher jobs, but only with caution. Suction nopes are also indispensable, especially when removing screens or back covers that are glued to the phone body. They help lift screens evenly and reduce the chances of cracking fragile glass panels. When combined with opening picks and controlled heat, suction cups make screen removal safer and more professional. Modern smartphones rely heavily on strong adhesives, which makes heat tools an essential investment. Heat pads, heat guns, and hot air stations are commonly used to soften adhesive before opening a device. Heat pads are ideal for beginners because they provide even and controlled heat at safe temperatures, reducing the risk of overheating sensitive components. Heat guns and hot air stations offer more flexibility and power, but they require experience to avoid damaging displays, batteries, or plastic frames. Proper heating tools greatly reduce breakage during screen and back glass removal, which saves money and improves repair success rates. Modern smartphones rely heavily on strong adhesives, which makes heat tools an essential investment. Heat pads, heat guns, and hot air stations are commonly used to soften adhesive before opening a device. Heat pads are ideal for beginners because they provide even and controlled heat at safe temperatures, reducing the risk of overheating sensitive components. Heat guns and hot air stations offer more flexibility and power, but they require experience to avoid damaging displays, batteries, or plastic frames. Proper heating tools greatly reduce breakage during screen and back glass removal, which saves money and improves repair success rates. To accurately identify faults before attempting repairs, diagnostic tools are extremely important. A multimeter is one of the most valuable diagnostic devices in a repair shop, as it allows technicians to test voltage, resistance, and continuity. This helps diagnose charging issues, battery problems, short circuits, and power failures. Bench power supplies and USB test boards also play a key role in diagnostics by allowing phones to be powered externally and charging circuits to be tested without relying on the phone's battery. These tools help technicians confirm faults before replacing parts, preventing unnecessary repairs and losses. As repairs become more detailed, magnification tools become essential. Digital microscopes, USB microscopes, or head-mounted magnifiers help technicians inspect solder joints, connectors, and board components more clearly. A microscope is especially valuable for identifying corrosion, broken traces, or damaged microcomponents on phone motherboards. Investing in proper magnification improves accuracy and reduces eye strain during long working hours. For shops that plan to perform advanced repairs, soldering and board-level repair tools are critical.
A high-quality soldering station with adjustable temperature and fine tips allows technicians to repair charging ports, replace connectors, and work on small components safely. Hot air rework stations are used for removing and installing integrated circuits, performing BGA work, and handling surface-mounted components. Supporting tools such as solder wire, flux, solder paste, desoldering braid, and tip cleaners are also necessary for clean and reliable soldering. While these tools require skill and practice, they greatly expand the range of services a repair shop can offer and significantly increase earning potential. Cleaning tools and materials are often overlooked but are vital to professional repair work. Isopropyl alcohol, soft brushes, cotton swabs, and cleaning cloths help remove adhesive residue, dust, corrosion, and fingerprints from phones during repairs. Clean working conditions prevent contamination of internal components and improve the final appearance of repaired devices. Maintaining a clean phone before reassembly also reduces the risk of future faults caused by dirt or moisture. A successful phone repair shop must also maintain a steady supply of replacement parts and consumables. Commonly replaced components such as screens, batteries, charging ports, speakers, cameras, and flex cables should be stocked for popular phone models. Using high-quality parts is essential, as poor-quality replacements can damage a reputation and lead to frequent customer complaints. Adhesives, double-sided tape, gasket seals, and protective films are also important consumables that ensure phones are securely reassembled after repair. Organization plays a major role in efficiency and professionalism. Magnetic mats, screw organizers, parts trays, and labeled storage bins help technicians keep track of tiny components during disassembly and reassembly. A well-organized workspace reduces mistakes, saves time, and makes repairs smoother. Customers also tend to trust technicians who work in clean, well-arranged environments, as it reflects professionalism and attention to detail. In addition to hardware tools, software and connectivity tools are becoming increasingly important in modern phone repair. Many phone problems are software-related, such as boot issues, system crashes, network faults, or firmware corruption. Tools for flashing firmware, unlocking devices, running diagnostics, and managing IMEI or security features are often required. These tools usually involve specialized software, USB cables, dongles, and licenses, which should be used responsibly and legally. Finally, setting up the repair shop environment itself is just as important as the tools. A sturdy workbench with bright LED lighting, an anti-static mat, and ergonomic seating ensures comfort and safety during long repair sessions. Safety equipment such as ESD wrist straps, heat-resistant gloves, and safety glasses protect both the technician and the devices being repaired. Security measures like lockable storage cabinets and basic surveillance also help protect valuable tools and customer devices. In conclusion, the success of a small phone repair shop depends heavily on investing in the right tools, maintaining organization, and continually improving technical skills. Starting with basic tools for common repairs and gradually expanding into advanced equipment allows the business to grow sustainably. With proper tools, safe practices, and quality workmanship, a phone repair shop can build a strong reputation, attract loyal customers, and become a reliable source of income in today's technology-driven world. And that brings us to the end of today's deep dive into the essential tools needed to start and run a successful phone repair shop. As you've seen, phone repair isn't just about opening devices. It's about precision, safety, and having the right equipment to deliver clean, reliable results every single time. If this video helped you understand what tools matter most and how to build your repair setup step by step, make sure you give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos where we'll cover repair techniques, business tips, and ways to increase your income in the phone repair industry. Drop a comment below and let us know which tool you think is the most important, or if you're planning to start your own repair shop. Until next time, keep learning, keep fixing, and keep turning problems into solutions.